Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Meghalaya Swimming Association hakar potrik ujuliu arajar alpusan kala aku bleket boket ruang ikisan ngut kinawjngi kiban semi khmat ikijala Meghalaya kiban selet yashim benta hagajing kop jingi 78 Senior Swimming Championship arajar alpusan kiban salong hababu Neshwar Odisha. Kiri kisan ngut kinawjngi kibiri kidikhat janga Meghalaya Swimming Association kilong klerik Jaden Wanyang banyakon yaka 50 and 100 meters breaststroke. Ushohan Maxwell Dingdo banyakon haka 100 and 200 meters freestyle. Wanahat Alawat banyakon haka 50 meters freestyle but 50 meters backstroke. But Sumar Biang Maulong banyakon haka 100 meters freestyle and 50 meters breaststroke. Kanazrin Paryong banyakon haka 50 meters freestyle but 50 meters butterfly. Haga jingalang belingkot hakrinelin ladan lang ru kidikot jangka association blalam khaman the president ba yan lingdo secretary ba baika lingdo ba ikmik ba jangki khenna
gaketeng jonga de Sumar Biang Maulong na de na like motion ka shnong kai jonga mentang asa je hakani bangan lek simenta ya ka na state simenta hakani ka national game panlong ha Odisha adu aku atlet adu aku atlet ban ko ya so ban ayu play bola da rangkat ban ni ban ya ban long ko ban long ban ay ko play ro ya MSA ba kala jet ni kung athletes sunward ban lek simenta ban represent ya state ha dai ngaru ban simenta kan ya sim ya 50 meter breaststroke but ya ka 100 meter freestyle kani kam desyo kasian ka ban ko ya ban kai national kare kasian ba but kasian besar pat ban represent ka state ngakermen ba wala dang job ni ngaram ro nilai but I'll give my best
so nga kateng Sean Maxwell Dingdo ningkong ko ay kublay yublay ay boring ni nga sajet way ka MSA ro ba kani jet ini ni menyelek mentah-mentah di events mga simbenta ka deka 4 meter baka 4 meter freestyle di
kadi kesin ka bakat nu bo fila jule national
ke kini di sin ka baar ke sim ningkong di po Bangalore ka po araja aku
komno fila pun kre ila di hagani ke team ta
minta lah kham practice bahai ehi yang daripada mentang sim tang balik sim experience menta di hadian habut bidang one shoot competition yang lek bahar susu
man ka por fi practice no
man ka por tingi practice bahar city banyak practice
kan hai ke jak
po to not
hagani ke por fi wa
she one she sin to sin tayo she one
ke expectations of hagani ke kanti ke por fin let mata
ke expectations one meta kam dah hai than daripada ni expect ba ni learn bahar ka competition ka one meta but ni lek bahar ka competition ka one hadian habut
Kateng Nazrin Paryong na kesemangka juga dari Nakenci buat masa asing hill. Kini dari ngan represent ya ke national state Odisha buat events yang akan dari ke butterfly 50 meter buat freestyle 50 meter. Dia kini dari ke siang ke Mekong yang akan represent ya ke national game buat ayu ibu dan katanya ibarat ngakuat menjadi ke bas cengar.
Thank you everyone. My name is Cleric Jaden Wanyang. I am a former student of BK Majoria, age 18. So first thing first, I would like to give my sincere gratitude to the Meghalaya Swimming Association for giving me and my swimmates the opportunity to participate in the National Aquatic Games once again. This time there are 4 of us coming from True North Leisure Centre representing Meghalaya at the championship. And I would just like to say that this is my third time participating in this championship, and I would say that it is going to be very challenging given the fact that I did not have quite the practice which is required, so to say, to participate in this championship with full strength. However, this does not mean that I will not give my best. I would certainly give my best, and I hope that the experience that I will gain from this championship in Bhubaneswar, Odisha will be one that is memorable and building. Thank you.
Tigini gi kena balik mentah ikan kop ya langot ki Shimrang argut gintai ya ka senior 78 National Aquatic Championship ke Bandung po Bhubaneswar Odisha. Tigini borok kidigi ba job haki events la jong. Kumantau Cleric is a breaststroke champion. Sean is the champion in butterfly stroke. Sumarbiang where she was one of the best athletes. Nazrin di Belang Thamai. That's on class 10, but she has performed extremely well. In about 3 to 4 gold medals category juki. Tikini anahat be backstroke specialist tu la daya chakman. Kini ki athletes bangi la jet lupa menta ke national games. Buka benong Arajar Arpunyo hone po Meghalaya. Tinggi la pun krek lupa kini nadu menta. In fact nadu ba yo hi kata ka you mo ya kata ka your bid for the national games te kini in train ki in expose ki in national championship, regional championship kini ngin pun ki show kin long as a team, as a group, as a athletes kin yo ya kata ka training ka bajanai ban ni kermen ba kini hi kin wanra ya kata ka na ya ka state government support bet ini Kabide baka state championship, kabide baka kini national aquatic championship mo te nakaliang jongi nila ai ka proposal te lala tambah khamsim por khindiat nomor ba fitip hi ka process is a long process te jingiram niyo kata support. In fact nanta ka team preparation ru implement ba niyo kata solid support naka government. Kumakalong mentah hak Southrick ini kenduk hapo State Convention Center hak ba ke swimming association ru kedi kawai naki taki kunhun kiban yo ta ka jingirap naka mentah ka team preparation kejing leka jong ka National Aquatic Championship kan long nodo arpusan tarik kani kali kumba nyuski pasmi
lagi jom event
lagi jom ni expect hi ba kin perform well at least kumangi syam hagini gi snem baladam ki athletes ki balik miswaru kila improve hak timing la jom even though the competition is very tough for international mo nomor ba PE hi ba ki kena jungi kimdon kata ka facilities hangne hapo jala jungi ki practice hak 25 meters pool where as ya ka competition bre ki conduct hapo ka Olympic size pool ka ba 100 meter ke Olympic size pool lada phim la ban practice ha 50 meters kumenta phi mare 100 meters phi practice ha 50 meters track kumno philamen pen jana susu pen dream susu iladi ban job ya kata sport mo tikini gi practice 25 meters pool tamban dal apoi step de gap jingi ha 50 meters pool tikini kalong ke ka penduko ya ka ability jungki tengi kwa hiba kin yo kata exposure bagin yo jingi ha 50 meters pool ke kenang ba kat ban poi ke national games kin la ban adapt themselves ban yo kata experience ban jingi ha kata rukam ba kila ban compete bat kiwe gijela ka contract bat ki coaches armut ki coaches ha swimming but haka diving ban yo exposure trip seki 50 meters pool bangin ya yo training hapo 50 meters pool kini kena jungi kini sangot tama kitang donsu kiwi iban bala sajit menta kani ka national games ban long hang ne po jala jungi te kum kita ki ba nila puru kita ki support staff kum ki physiotherapist ki nutritionist kum kita ki boro tingi ai kita proposal ban mi kermen ba ka sarkar ru ka kalape kita ki boro bat ka song ke start jongka kumno kan ai kita support ingi.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs. This is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.